Hello guys, and welcome to the first video of the binary wolf. So today we'll be doing some trades using explanation with our today's market. Today we are for March. So we're gonna do some trades into the Euro USD. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friend. So we can grow this community and explain and share our knowledge to each other. So this is a free educational YouTube channel. So feel free to post anything you have or any struggle you are facing into trading, into binary options, forex or stocks or commodities. So whatever, we are glad to help. So we are using iqoption. So if you don't have an iqoption account, you can sign up using the link in the description. And let's start. So we are drawing our support and resistance. As I see here, it's a broken support already. So our support and resistance aren't a simple level, but it's a zone. So let's see what we can do over this market. So I draw my trend line. So we have a broken support that become a resistance. We have a rejection of the trend line. So highly potential that the next candle will go as red. So I will explain. So this candle, this red one, just made a rejection over the two levels. So the broken support and the trend line. So it goes over here, but found a lot of sellers. So it pushed the price down and finished red. So highly potential that the next candle will follow the trend and finish red as well, or a little green. So let's see what can this candle will end. Or maybe my trend line is wrong. No, I don't think so. Okay, maybe. No, it's correct. It's correct. My trend line was correct. No doubts. So my trade is good one. So as you can see, guys, it's a winning shot. Okay, I will make my trend line again. So we have one test, two tests, three tests. The fourth one is risky to trade, so we don't recommend this. So we're gonna wait this candle to make a breakout of this trend line so we can follow the trend. And this is the reversal sign. So highly potential next candle can be a good green, not good green, but we have space here. So we can use this space for call, or maybe this candle try to break out this level so we can go for call, but into both ways we're gonna for call. So we called. So let's see what this candle will end up, but I'm kinda sure that this candle will end green. As you can see, guys, it's a good one, as this candle just broke up the trend line, and this candle is kind of reversal sign. So we expect this candle to be green, but we have some rejection over this area. So it's kind of same level, that this candle is same level of this support. So we have a rejection, a little rejection of this green candle. Maybe we can adjust. We can have a loss probably, but we have trust on our analysis. As I said, this, oh man, okay, no problem. We'll go for marching step. So this candle fails because we have the same level. Okay, I didn't been aware, sorry, but this candle, this green candle, just made a rejection over this little support as it showing, and this candle just show us a reversal, that there is a lot of sellers here pushing the price down, and as we said here, it's a reversal part or reversal area. This candle just show us a reversal confirmation, and this candle is going down, and we have recovered our last trade and profit of $8.80. So we're gonna follow and see what this candle will show us. So we have a small reversal here, can be respected as support. Let's see what this candle will show us. So it's respecting as we have a rejection. So this red candle just made a pull, not a pullback, but this candle just goes down and rejected up and ended up with same level as this reversal candle. So it's respecting. So this is the second test. So this is the first test. This is the second test. So I can see if this candle just finish below this level. So highly potential, it will be a lower as a put option. So let's see. Okay, it's a confirmation. So we have a rejection. We have a rejection. So let's see what this candle will show us. So I have 94% of payout. So it's very great. So I'm gonna change my trend line or draw new one. So I will go for the new high and select the new highest point. So we have two trend lines. We're gonna be aware of the support and resistance of trend lines. So this can be a resistance and this can be a support as well. So we have our third win. So binary option isn't 100% winning trades. So we got to draw. So highly potential to go down again. We got bad entry. I'll go again. Okay, we got $30 of trades. So as I mentioned, binary option isn't 100% profitable trading, and we need to be careful on placing our trades. So guys, be careful when you trade. Don't be greedy. You need to follow money management, and we'll go. So our trade is about to finish and we got a beautiful win shot. So our profit today is $10 plus $80 plus $8, sorry, 18 and 28. So I guess it's good. It's $46 as a profit. So this candle just broke this kind of little support. So I'm gonna watch what this candle will do. If it ends up red, I'm gonna fall lower. If it ends up as green, let's see what the next candle will do, as we don't have a confirmation of reversal, as it's a false breakout. So this candle just making some retests. So let's see. So if you guys love this content, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave us a comment and share your experience with us. So this candle just made the false breakout. Okay, it's good. So this trade, why I took this trade? So it's simple. So as we have here a good rejection area, as we have a good rejection area, right? So our trade gone here because we have a common point of highest point, so that this point will show us a kind of reversal highest point. I don't know how to explain it, but it's the highest point that the previous candles reach and cannot exceed them. And we have the trend line also as a confirmation. So it's two factors that the price will push down. And you guys can see it's a good trade. We have a total of $55 of profit. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you a lot. And I hope you guys are making profit.